Welcome to the Testing World. In this session, we are going to cover Catalon Studio Introduction. Here, I'll introduce you with Catalon Studio, which is a paid, or I would say licensed automation tool for functional automation. So it's a license automation tool, means you will have to take license for using this tool, but they are giving trial version so you can download and take a trial. So it's a license automation tool for functional automation. It supports different kind of application. So let's start with the most common application, which is web application. So it support web application, and it support almost all front-end frameworks like React.js, AngularJS, Vue.js. It also support cross-browser testing. We also call it browser compatibility testing, and we can test our script on the Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge. It gives end-to-end support of web-based application. So first, by using this Catalon Studio, we can automate web-based application. Next is API. If you worked on API or if you heard about API, so there are two type of web services, or we can call it API, SOAP and REST. It gives support of both, means we can automate REST API as well as SOAP web services. And there we have to use basic and OAuth authentication. So it support basic as well as OAuth authentication. So here we can see it give end-to-end support of API automation as well. Next is desktop-based application. There are many applications which can be installed on a system and you can use it on that system only. So let's take an example. We have calculator. So that is a desktop-based application. Catalon Studio support desktop-based application as well. And again, desktop-based application created by the different ways. So it support universal window platform, it support window forms, it support classic window application, and many more. So it is giving the support of end-to-end desktop-based application as well. Last is mobile application. As we know, there are different type of mobile application. It could be native application, it could be web application, mobile web application, or it could be hybrid. So it support different type of application, could be native, could be hybrid, or could be web, mobile web. Also, it also support Android as well as iOS platform. So here you can see that is a single tool which is giving support of almost all different kind of application. So that is one of the unique tool which give end-to-end support of almost all different kind of applications. Now I'll show you some advantages, some more features of Catalon Studio. So it support record and play. Record and play means you can record your script and directly use it for the automation. So it support record and play. So that is one of the biggest advantage of Catalon Studio. I'll show you how we can do the record and play later on. It support codeless automation. Okay, that is one of the unique feature of Catalon Studio. So if you heard about Selenium, there for everything we have to write code. So let's take an example. You want to start browser, you want to enter URL. So for everything, for starting the browser, you will have to write 3 or 4 lines of code. For putting the URL, we have to write 1 line of code. So for doing everything, you have to write code there in the Selenium. But if we talk about Catalon Studio, it support codeless automation, means it is giving a lot of utilities by which we can write automation script even without writing any programming. So that is the advantage of Catalon Studio. You can work on the Catalon Studio even if you're not aware about programming, still you can work on the Catalon Studio. But Catalon Studio support Groovy as well as Java. So if you want to do some advanced level task and you want to write coding, you can write either in the Groovy or in Java. Next is we have different type of frameworks. So if you heard about, there is a data driven framework, there is keyword driven framework, BDD framework. So it support all these frameworks, like you can write your automation in the BDD framework format. It support keyword driven framework, it support data driven test cases. So all these frameworks are supported. And one of the most important and most usable feature is POM, which is page object model. It is a design pattern and it is mostly used when we are doing automation. If you're working on the Selenium, you must be aware about this. But if you're not working on any automation tool, you must understand that is one of the most usable concept while doing automation. So it support POM design pattern as well. So this Catalan Studio support POM design pattern as well. So in this course, when we are going to write our automation script, we will use this design pattern. There are many unique features here in Catalan Studio. One is it support cloud integration. And as of now, I have given only two names. One is SauceLab and Browser Stack. It support many more. So what does it mean? Okay, now take an example. You have already created a script in the Catalan Studio, but you want to execute it on the different browsers and different versions of the browser. So there are some cloud application which are giving the support of multiple browser with multiple browser version. Means you need not to install these browsers with different versions on your local machine. You can use these cloud application. It is giving the support on the cloud integration like SauceLab, Browser Stack and many more. It also gives support of test management by using different other tools. So if you heard about Jira, Rally, TestLink and few others, so you can easily integrate Catalan Studio with them and you can easily do test management. And last but not least, CI/CD integration. So we heard about this word CI/CD, and here Catalan Studio is supporting almost all common CI/CD tools like Jenkins, Bamboo and many more. Here we have seen Catalan Studio has a lot of advantages as compared to many other tools running in the market. That's all we have here in the introduction session. From next session onwards, I'll show you how to set up Catalan and how to use it. That's all we have. Thanks for watching this video.